Program BA, Subject Optional English, Semester 3, Session 72. Facets of Language, Negotiating Discourse, Speech and Writing. In this session, we are going to discuss domain. Let us know what we had discussed in the last session. We had discussed formality, politeness, and impersonality shows the relationship between the speaker and the addressee in a given situation. And we had also discussed about a speaker has to know which is the right kind of language to use in which situation. So let us know what domain is. The domain is defined as an area of language such as legal, journalism, estate agents, house descriptions, etc. A domain also usually has domain functions like the intentions of persuading or expressing or describing, and this will affect the way in which the language is expressed. Understanding tenor and domain give us a criteria on which to judge and assess a given piece of language, and domain functions allow us to test whether a text is successful in achieving its aims. A domain may have one or more of the following functions, that is referential, expressive, conative, poetic or phatic. Domain functions are associated with the dominant micro and macro functions, subordinate functions. So we'll discuss that. Domain has to do with how language varies according to the function it is fulfilling. As I said, it make a social contact, that is a phatic function, poetry, a poetic function. Talk about language itself is the metalinguistic function. So domain, language is used to fulfill more than one function simultaneously. For example, I feel in ice cream is also a referential function. It conveys information, that is a micro function of language. Expressive expresses a feeling, that is a micro function of language again. Conative tries to persuade someone, that is a dominant function of language. Language has one dominant, that is a macro function, and a subordinate or micro function. So domains with functions also is associated with it are, as I said, in journalism, the dominant function is referential and the subordinate or the micro function is expressive or conative. As in advertising, the dominant function is conative, but the subordinate function is referential or poetic. As in science, the dominant or the macro function is referential and the subordinate function is metalinguistic and directive. While in public speaking, the dominant or the macro function is expressive and the subordinate or the micro function is poetic or conative. So domain doesn't lend clear-cut distinction, and language and situations are to a large extent mutually determining. So what we had discussed today is language can be used for a variety of functions, and language used in a given situation has a dominant with other subordinate functions.